Hi guys! Pagod na ako guys. First subject pa lang.
Ito sa'yo na. Uy, basa. Ayun, pinakita pa nga na hindi naghilamos ako. Naghilamos.
Naghilamos ako, naglagay lang ako ng gamot. Sino yan? Si J-Boy? Update lang sa akin. Nagigets ko naman yung lesson sa Fisay so far pero nalilito yung utak ko. Kasi ang bilis nang nangyayari. I am so confused. Tapos ngayon naghihintay na ako for per-dev. Ano bang dinidiscuss dito? I don't know. Per first class sa per-dev ngayon. Yay!
Nakita mo.
Ay, putik.
Recording. Okay? Press on it.
Tomorrow.
Hindi ka ginagaya lagay ko.
Goodbye and thank you po. Okay, it's break time. 11 na ang susunod kong class. Bye muna. Wait lang. Kakain muna ako kasi medyo kumakalam na yung tiyan ko. Kain muna ako ng snacks. Okay. Nag-early dismiss kasi si sir eh. Kaya, ayan, early break. 10:30 pa dapat tapos ng class. Pero, since 11 pa naman, kakain na muna then hihiga. Hanap tayo food.
Papa, ano lang. Dito.
Never namang abortion. Kung sino pa yun!
Okay. So, now it's 10:49. So, ako ay nagbabalik sa study place. And ayusin ko na to prepare for the next class, which is reading and writing skills. Tinatamad na ako. Pero sige. Para sa pag-arap. Oh my God. So, also, I'm joining Ascendance with my friends. We're done with the video. Extend yung pasa ng video. Pero I'm so excited for the competition. We're gonna watch the video na lang muna. Ay, nandiyan na si ma'am. Nandiyan na ba si ma'am? So, mag-wait na lang ako hanggang sa mag-start na si ma'am for the roll call. So, like in we started our work. Mag-attendance na. Ready na tayo. Present po. Communication po can be expressed not only with words but also with actions or maybe even sometimes both. A cooked cream soup tastes like Coco Loco. Goodbye and thank you po. Okay, so since Shanghai pala ang aking food, samahan niyo ako mag-init. Maghihintay tayo ng mga ilang minuto na lang. Tapos luluto ko na siya kasi gutom na talaga ako. Hi! So, it's already 12:45, so hinitin na natin. Let's go! It's now being heated na, so we're just gonna have to wait up until it, becomes a little bit hotter. Oh! Mainit-init naman na, so let's go. So, I will have 6 pieces ng Shanghai and hintayin ko lang sila na maluto. Tatago ko na to sa ref ulit. So, habang hinihintay ko na uminit yung mga Shanghai, hindi pa naman siya ganun ka-brown, maghahain na lang muna ako. Kukuha na ako ng kanin, ilalagay ko na yung plate, and also, kukuha rin ako ng plato pang serve doon. Yeah! Also, lalagyan natin ng tissue. Ito, para yung oil ng Shanghai ma-absorb niya.
Nasunog ka?
Wala pa ano pa ito kakainin. Oh my God, sunog na sunog na. Lord, sige, kaya ko to. Ako may kagagawa, kainin ko. Sige.
Who are you? Just a romantic rival.
I'm sorry, Team Sturgis, let's go.
I know you. Oh, yeah, look at I should never have peace. Fabulous Astro.
Turn on your cameras.
Wait.
Here. And step 3 will be done with the prayer. Father, Son of the Holy Spirit. Confused our subject for today in the different art fields, no? And related to your activity me that not necessarily, maybe you can. Now I'm going to get names. Can you also get bakit? Ano sa pintura? Tapos, ano yung kailangan may F, no? From dipping na.
Goodbye and thank you po.
And thank you po.
Bakit ba? Ay, hindi. Masyado itong malaki. Naalala ko yung gawa ko sa earphones ko dati. Nagaling ni Niso din. Na hindi ko na hinanap. Kahit na alam kong naiwan ko. Alam ko kung saan ko naiwan. Hindi ko na binalitan. So, tapos na yung classes ko for today. Matutulog na muna ako for 1 hour and then pagkagising ko, mag-aaral tayo or depende sa trip ko. Hi guys! Time check. Nagsa-7 na. Sabi ko 4 ako gigising. Kumain ka na? So ako na lang muna. Kain ako dinner, tapos aral na. So I just woke up from an almost 3-hour na dapat 1 hour nap lang. So, yay, good morning. That just means mag-extend ako ng aral ko. Ang aking original time ay 8 hanggang 8:30. Pero I'm going to adjust 1 hour. Siguro kasi ngayon 7 is kakain pa lang ako ng dinner which was supposed to be at 6. So, ayan, kakain muna ako. Then after nun, magna-night shower na ako. Night shower, di mo nag-shower. Tapo, night tapo, ganun. Night ligo. Then, mag-aaral na ako. And then, to close off my day, I will read. Sa babasahin ko, I'm not sure pa if yung choices yung babasahin ko. Yung Royal Air, binabasa ko kasi yun. Or yung On Earth We're Briefly Gorgeous. Ayan, habang kumakain, nanonood ako ng Young Sheldon ulit. Then, ayan, I'll do the routine. Also pala, I will drink milk kasi I didn't drink milk kahapon. So, like parang every other day, we need to drink milk to help your bones remain strong. morning.
Student.
Hi! Kumusta, Fisay?
Hi, Jumanji.
I love electronic configuration. One of the best lessons sa Fisay. For Dev naman, next subject natin. Wala pa naman si Sir. Tapos break time. Tatapusin na lang namin yung flowchart for Apex. Pasok kayo. Pasok kayo. Ano? Pasok kayo. Hi! Ganda ko. Ah? Ilang subscribers mo? Ito din tinitig. Ito yung thumbnail o, thumbnail. Yan, thumbnail. Ba't ayaw mag-picture? Sali ka, thumbnail.
Lunch at UFG SXS. Hashtag not for cloud.
Subscribe.
May exposure na yung pagkain mo. Grabe ka! Grabe talaga yun. Pag ganun yung nandito, tapos pa loob yung nandito.
Magulo ka rin kasi. Ala, naggaganyan ka rin.
Yeah.
Lagi na sobrang favorite ko dyan.
Sobrang favorite.
Oo, favorite ko niyan. Maski wala akong kuko. Ako yan.
Hi guys! Tapos na po yung klase namin. Tapos na yung klase for today.
Pero bawal pa po kami.
Kukuha po ko ng type B ko today.
Ay, hindi mag-type B. Pero
Kunin ko nga eh. Bumili na ako.
So if may time capsule po si Leslie, ako po yung niyang kaibigan. Bye-bye!
Sorry po sa...
Ay, kakat ko. Hi! Dinner tayo. Meron tayong Belgian waffle. Anong flavor ito?
Blueberry.
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 Blueberry. Siyempre, maarte ako.
Aray ko!
Yung mga ang hinahanap mo.
Oo, ang taray naman. Sponsor. Ano na?
Hello! Wednesday ngayon. Unang ginawa namin,
Amiga.
humiga, kumain. Tapos, after kong kumain, di pa rin ako tapos, mag 2 hours na. After kong kumain,
Paano yung pagkain since siya hindi pa rin siya tapos?
after kong kumain, gagawin ko na yung mga iClex activities na sinend ng mga prof ko, and then pupunta ako sa school after to do some org work. Gabi magdamag, gabi ay ating ang ating katawan. Gabi mananatila, gabi ay atin. So since tapos na akong maligo, gagawin ko na yung mga yung mga activities na pinlano kong gawin for today. Pero baka hindi ko matapos agad, so kailangan gising ako mamaya pag uwi ko galing sa school since tatapusin ko pa sila. Well, pwede naman akong gumising na lang, pwede naman gumising na lang ako ng maaga bukas since 9:30 pa naman yung first period ko. Pero kasi I think mas productive kasi ako sa gabi. And alam kong magtatagal ako kapag gumising lang ako ng maaga. So, yeah, gagawin ko na lang muna kung ano yung kaya kong gawin kasi by 4 o'clock aalis na ako papuntang school since 5:30 yung call time namin for our org work. So, it's already 4:16. So, kikilos na ako. Kailangan ko lang umalis by 4:30. Dapat nakaalis na ako. So, yeah. We need to prepare everything and go to school. Di ako naka-uniform, so I need to remember na dala ko dapat yung ID ko. Since di naman ako required mag-uniform since sa main campus lang ang pasok ko. And so, I wore a black dry fit shirt para lang sure kasi any comfy clothes naman daw. All black ang aking peg ngayon. Hindi ako makakapag fit check kasi wala kaming full body mirror dito sa bahay. So, unfortunately, hindi ko mapapakita kung ano yung suot ko ng isa hanggang ganun lang. So, ayun. Pero, nakaayos naman na yung bag ko. Yung same bag pa rin naman sa school yung gagamitin ko. Hindi lang ako maglalagay ng ibang stuff. Kasi hindi ko kailangan. Paalis na po. Nag-aayos lang. Tapos, ito yung food ko. Then, ulam. Ayan po. Kain muna ng tipak ko. Makaka-alis na ako. It's already 4:28, so need ko na talaga umalis. Baka maabutan pa ako ng traffic. So, ayun. Let's go.
It's my bad.
Lucas. I'm doing a vlog. Hi, vlog. So guys, Star Lord, amen. Goodbye and thank you po, sir. Gawa muna tayo ng iClex. Di ko pa tapos yung iClex ko sa math. Let's go, Gen Math. OMG, I don't get it. Paano ko tayo solve? Joke. Gets ko na. So, magiging ano siya. Yes, and then gagamit tayo ng distributor guy. Kapag multiply mo yung something sa 0, di ba 0 na siya? Say something crazy. Something to you. And it's nothing like I've ever known before. With you, love's an open door. Much like me, Jinx, Jinx again. Love's an open door. Say something even crazier. Yes. It's open, so's that door. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? They'll be actual real life people. It'll be totally strange. Why am I so ready for this change? I don't know if I'm elated or gassy, but I'm somewhere in that zone. I can't wait to meet everyone. What if I meet the one? Bad Grace, oh beautiful stranger, tall and fairly bizarre. Nothing like the life I've led so far. I know it's totally crazy to dream I find romance. Don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. One wrong move and everything May 8 minutes pa naman, so hihiga muna ako kasi nahihilo na ako.
Paraphrasing, summarizing, and coding. Tell the whole story of and most of course, when we say normally, hindi na tayo limited sa this news, yung baguhin, technical, and then journals, you have to
So now that classes is done, I'm going to sleep, ideally for 1 hour. Hopefully 1 hour lang. Magising ako sa alarm ko kasi di ako nagising nung Monday, as you guys have watched kanina lang. Pero ayun, I'm going to set the alarm na kasi baka mamaya makalimutan ko na naman. So yeah, it's supposed to be 1 hour na tulog. And I'm going to read a book to help me sleep better. And then I will wake up at 5:30 and start doing the iClex activities na hindi ko ginawa kahapon. And I'm not going to do a workout kasi I had a really grabbing physical workout kahapon. Kasi nga, I went to school just for org work yesterday, so it is a very tiring thing for me kahapon. So I need to relax my body muna. So I'll just do school works later on when I wake up. And yeah, good more night! Ang cute ng buhok ko. Ma, pag ganun.
To the incredible bargain of 1 free battery per month. Their magazine.
The secrets of... There's going to be a lot...
Is that this Saturday? I'm sorry. Down and count the rings. I guess. What?
Or these young?
At all costs.
Think you're gonna get $10 for this? Like, you know, they got a deal. That's nice. Lunch meat in the middle. $3. You said we were getting pizza. How do you and Mary handle the stress?
Suit yourself. I'm having a nice day.
Let's neglect changes in the isotopic.
Do you think it happened? Some of us will merge with computers.
50 miles outside of Fayetteville? Take me to dinner? Maybe a movie?
Would not.
No.
George!
Ayun na.
Hey!
Sa kanan mo po.
Want to go to a science lecture? You don't say.
Caveman stuff. I love that. Where are you going? It's closed.
Remember it all. I'll get older, but your lovers stay my age. Just between tissue. Yeah. I picked up my
Some of the most commercially successful. We have a deeper understanding of people and why they. Mankind has charted such progress thanks to the knowledge and expertise from different field experiences and perspectives. One of the most common methods of data collection from a larger sample of people. Funding, artistic research, and ethical considerations.
Can't do anything.
I like philo. I still like philo so far. We had our first Hope Fitness lesson then. The concepts of fitness, well-being, and health. Tapos, physical testing kami next week for health-related skills. Yeah, I still like philo. It's a good subject. I enjoy it so much. Kaso natatawa ako kasi yung prof namin. Very, like, yung mga sinusulat niya sa board, nag-overlap lang sa isa't isa. Like, papatungan niya lang yung mga sinusulat niya. So, it's kind of funny to see. Pero, still okay. I didn't really do my makeup today kasi tinamad ako. Pero, yeah. Yeah, I'm talking to myself sa camera. Why? Why?
Get ready with me.
Ako din! Tuwing nagme-makeup ako, nag-get ready with me ako.
Hi po. Anong part na to ng vlog?
I'm talking about my experience in the philosophy class.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah, this is my vlog.
who are you?
Pagkatapos ng philosophy is fun faith. So, after maging pilosopo ay magpapakarelihiyoso ko. Lunchtime na, tapos nasa CR kami.
Move!
Hi! Ayan. Ano pangalan mo, ate?
Followers, why yung subscribers mo?
Hey guys.
Hello, I'm making a vlog. Ang ginaw. Ha?
Hindi Lara.
Hi guys! Halos solo namin yung room kasi ang content namin. Wee!
Okay. I'm releasing my new Ha? Ano? Hi, vlog! Ay, ito.
So ayun, konti lang ang people right now.
Oh,
1, 2, 3,
really?
4, 5. 5 lang kami rito. 6, 7, 8. 8 lang. 8 lang. Out of 39, 8 lang kami. Hi. Hello. Lamig? Oo. Nakabahan ako kasi nga I told you guys kanina na today is a very important day for me. I don't know if like I'm being too anxious or what, pero it is getting harder to breathe. Yeah, one subject left and ayan, tapos na yung classes for the day and org work na lang gagawin ko.
Hey, we have to buy some yogurt. Niggas, go buy some yogurt. Let's go to the fight. Boy, I want it.
Bangs ko!
So I can go.
This is for, para sa personal vlogs ko lang sa YouTube.
30 minutes to the Yeah, it's okay.
Antok pa ako. Pero yeah, today is Saturday, so it's going to be the second to the last day of my vlog. So today is going to be a little bit of a rest day for my physical, like, my body. We're going to eat breakfast, which is pancit and pandesal. Tabang. Supposed to over there.
More than a year. An annual budget.
Please, definitely, I'm a reality. Beast ko, tignan pag nag-beast mode na yeah, what you got about you.
Or like,
So cool. Kagabi pa ako giniginaw eh.
Ayun. Talaga.
Tagal kayong nakaupo lang ako doon. Our food for today's lunch is pancit, chicken, and my dessert mamaya.
Hindi, masarap.
Let's eat, yes. Let's eat the chicken. Sa chiller ko pala nalagay kasi hindi na po ako makakita ng spicy chicken. Spicy.
Hindi tuloy makapaglinis ng
Spicy
rep.
jolly chicken. Ay, ma. If ever ba, papayagan mo ako magpasinaya?
Hindi. Yung sama mo.
Possible pa lang si Kirby.
Hindi.
Pero ang inaaral ko pa kung paano pumunta dun. Saan ako sasakay?
Ba't may manok?
Puro matamis ang kinain ko ngayon. Be. Tok ako kasi.
Water, please. Hirap ka usapin.
Ito lang ikaw, tumatas na sugar mo. Dapat konti lang eh.
Sino nagsabing tumataas sugar? Oo, di ba?
Uy, may magkakabisahan tayo ng Papa Joper song.
Mananatili.
May hipon dyan kanina.
It's a beauty in the beast. Wala na. Pansit pa?
Di pa po ako kumakain ng pansit. Kayo pa lang yun. So our dinner is, anong dinner na? Pansit pa din. Pansit. Tapos, sinapay. Tapos,
Sinapay.
juice. Ano na yung English ng tenga ng daga?
Puso.
Okay.
Ano yung number mo? Ano yung number mo? Leslie,
Ang hilig ng friends ko sa yaw-yaw. Ako lang yung BLK enthusiast namin.
Sana, sarado naman yan.
Sino pa nanonood ng Crazy Romance?
ako.
Hindi tinapos.
Ano hindi?
Wrestling. And how our parents, relatives.
IEM, ayaw mo yan? Yun yung maganda eh. Yan yung mga maganda na earphone mo. Ganyan din yung shape ng mga ginagamit ng mga shanger. Kasi ito mayroon. Taas mo. So, hello. Going to get my pimple eraser. I look so dry right now. Alas dos ka ang gabi. Tignan mo lahat ng performing arts hindi. So March 9 lang ako wala.
Lian niya, May. Talaga, like, kaya niya yung mga kumanta.